You may never get bitten by a genetically modified spider, or get to drive the rugged gadget-filled Batmobile, or fly around in red underpants and a cape, but that doesn't mean you cannot be a superhero. This is the 21st century, for crying out loud, and we bring you the tech that can make your superhero dreams come true. How does it feel like being a Tony Stark right in that tiny corner of your bedroom? Cool, right? That's what our number 1 will recreate for you. So it would be best if you stayed till the end of the video. Willing to join the Avengers family? Easy peasy. Check out our number 9 and also our number 7. So here are the 10 coolest superhero gadgets. Number 10, the Pyro Shooter. Haven't you been wondering how magicians and some circus workers produce fire with their hands? You're at the right place. This viral smash hit gadget of 2014 has been transformed into a smaller, sleeker, and sexier must-have device. Based on the original Pyro, this gadget has been refined to make it easier to use while packing in a host of new features that rival anything you'd see in a James Bond movie. I must emphasize that this is not a toy. This is a badass device that allows you to launch fireballs from your open palm. The most fascinating feature of this device is its safety. The gadget's barrels are filled with flash paper, specifically treated tissue paper that burns extremely quickly and vanishes in the blink of an eye. Magicians have used flash paper in their acts for decades to get huge reactions from a tiny burst of fire. Are you thinking of becoming the next superhero? Pyro is an excellent choice to start with, but please make sure to handle it responsibly. Number 9, Tello Iron Man Drone. Avengers lovers should grab a seat, draw the curtains, and get a chilled drink to gulp down. With this gadget, you don't just learn to fly, you conquer the skies. This fun mini drone also comes with an immersive app that allows you to explore the world of your favorite superheroes. The gadget also provides an immersive experience to peek into Iron Man's world. With Iron Man's AI assistant, you can complete missions while exploring the gadget's expansive range of features. Thanks to a comprehensive user guide, learning how to fly is no longer just for the comic books. The gadget is supported by DJI Flight Tech, so you have fewer worries about your safety in the air no matter where you adventure. Other features like low battery protection and propeller guard ensure that the gadget's defenses are up for the challenge. With these, you can take on missions without fear. The gadget also supports Tello EDU app and Swift playground apps, as well as Python and Scratch, a visual programming language. With these features, you can program the drone to fly and perform tricks just as Tony Stark programs his technology to combat malignant forces. Number 8, Pokball Plus. Pokemon is as addictive as a chocolate bar. The game consists of adventures that are challenging and help to improve cognitive reasoning. With this gadget, you can bring your Pokemon adventure into the real world with an accessory that fits right in the palm of your hand. The gadget allows you to recreate all you do in Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu or Pokemon Let's Go Eevee. Pokeball Plus lights up, vibrates, and plays sounds. If a friend has a Pokeball Plus of their own, they can help you catch and battle alongside you to make it a 2-player adventure. When you take your favorite Pokemon out with you in the Pokeball Plus accessory, you can also gently shake it to hear the Pokemon inside. When you connect Pokeball Plus to the Pokemon Go app, it will light up and vibrate when you're near a Pokemon or Pokestop. Number 7, Avengers Marvel Black Panther Vibranium Power FX Mask. Imagine suiting up for battle as Black Panther with the vibrating Power FX mask, featuring pulsating and fixed light effects and an awesome movie-inspired design. All you need to do with this gadget is press the button in the front of the mask to activate pulsating lights, then press the second time for the fixed lights. The other fascinating features of this amazing gadget are 2-view mask. With this, the wearer can choose to have the mask's lenses flipped up or down with easy-to-use controls. Inspired by the Marvel Black Panther movie, a part of the Marvel Cinematic Universe that includes Avengers Infinity War. Pretend to be Black Panther. With this mask, kids can imagine charging into action like the legendary Wakanda hero. Nothing beats recreating your favorite superhero costume. Number 6, Marvel Legends Deadpool Head Premium. This gadget is a premium electronic interactive app-enhanced collectible with over 600 sound effects and phrases, multiple sensors, and motors for expressive movements. With its free app, you can set Deadpool up to play pranks, insult your friends and loved ones, or wake you up every morning. The gadget features a design inspired by the Merc with a mouth. The Deadpool's head is a killer collectible for any nerd shelf. Deadpool's head will not actually kill you. With the gadget, you can bid farewell to boredom. The Deadpool's head talks a lot, not unlike what happened in the movie. And getting the gadget, you must be ready for a lot of talk time. With all these amazing features, I bet you can't wait to get this gadget. Remember though, you should wait for number 1. Number 5. Marvel Ultimate Spider-Man Web Warrior Shock Slinger. Imagine Spider-Man adventures at a whole new level with this incredible gadget. With the Spider-Man Slinger, you'll be able to fire web fluid or water just like your favorite web-crawling hero when you put on the glove and attach the slinger to it. The ease of use of this gadget is another amazing feature. All you need to do is use your 2 middle fingers to trigger the shooter, just like Spider-Man. Are you hoping to change the world into a better place? Then this gadget is a must for you. Evil doesn't stand a chance when you've got your Color Shock Slinger. Using this gadget, it'll be safer under strict parental guidance. Number 4. Sphero Star Wars Force Band. The Force is strong with you. Channel it with the Star Wars Force Band by Sphero. This gadget reflects the wear and tear of trekking across the galaxy on Resistance missions. With this gadget, you get to fulfill your destiny and become strong in the ways of the Force. You pair your Force Band with Special Edition Battle-Worn BB-8 straight from the sands of Jakku. Like a Jedi Knight, the Star Wars gadget enables you to control the app-enabled droid with just a wave of your hand and expand your abilities with Force training. You can use the band by itself to complete combat training for blasters, lightsabers, and the Force itself, or collect digital holocrons in your environment through Force awareness. You also get to watch your droid explore autonomously, guide BB-8 yourself, or create and view holographic recordings. The Force Band is also compatible with the original BB-8 app-enabled droid by Sphero and Sphero robots powered by Bluetooth Smart. Number 3. Dr. Octopus Suit. Imagine a world full of possibilities for the disabled. A prosthetic arm or leg will go a long way in reviving the hope for so many. This era of technology is undoubtedly taking the whole world by surprise. This gadget was initially built by a young lad, Finan, who still holds the record of the youngest person to make millions out of Bitcoin. Finan invested $1,000 in a Bitcoin. They went up in value. After the rise, he used his profits to set up a workspace to build the suit. The gadget was initially designed to be a great help, a prosthetic prototype for an 11-year-old boy, and it was created by using a 3D printer. The gadget's arms are powered by 8 motors which allow it to lift lightweight things. An advanced design of this gadget is said to be able to lift a car, and with the guidelines, operating the gadget will be an easy one for almost everybody. Number 2. Sphero Voice Interactive Spider-Man. Ready to join forces with the Voice Interactive Spider-Man and enter the Marvel Universe like never before? This amazing gadget constitutes the first supervised superhero interactive app for children, interiorly spherical. With its advanced speech recognition, you can rest assured of a user-friendly interface that lets you listen to stories, jokes, and the mission of your favorite superhero. The gadget's language. Spidey's voice in English is specifically designed to recreate a relatable memory listening to your interactive Spidey for an extraordinary adventure together with your new friend, Spider-Man. The free app also allows you to take on enemies side by side with Spidey. Whopping the bad guys just got more intense and interesting. Number 1. Iron Man MK50. Play as Tony Stark and suit up in the iconic MK50 armor to play through a series of nanotech weapon field tests and battles. Embody the powers of your superhero's armor using a mobile device to control the gadget's motor, lights, and sound. You get to select specific phrases or upload your face and even record audio phrases to reenact as your own superhero. The gadget features a nanotech development, complete augmented reality missions to build your Iron Man MK50 robot's arsenal in the free downloadable app. That sounds like a military thingy. It's so cool. The gadget utilizes custom patrol capabilities and added audio and light interactions utilized with cutting-edge light sensor technology. The gadget also features an in-custom protocol mode, so you can use the visual drag-and-drop programming editor to create simple, custom Iron Man scripts without requiring any programming knowledge. This walking, talking gadget is your portal into the events after Marvel Avengers Infinity War. The gadget can be used on almost all devices. The app requires a gig of RAM and works with Apple iOS 11, 0 Plus, Apple iOS, iPhone 6s Plus, iPad Pro Plus, and Android 7.0 Plus. There you have it, the 10 coolest superhero gadgets. The links to get any of these amazing gadgets is right below in the description box, so head on down there to transform yourself into a superhero. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit the like button and superhero smash that subscribe button to be part of the unique family. Hey, see the bell icon, the bell signal near the subscribe button? Smash that too to be among the first to receive notifications whenever a new video is uploaded.